Hello friends, this is Aditya and you're watching Electric Vehicles India. Friends, this video is all about solar for an apartment. We have Mr. Balaji with us, so he is president of this apartment and they recently set up this 8 kilowatt solar panel on their apartment. So let's know the cost and the savings which they are saving per month on this solar panel. Hi Mr. Balaji.
Hi, good evening.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
Okay.
See, recently, last month.
Okay, so first of all, please introduce yourself.
Okay. I am Balaji. We are from Navasakti Prahalad Plaza. Myself is president. Sir is ex-president. We are here for the past 20 years.
Okay.
Since then, we were paying current bill as per the norms. As of now, till recently, our electricity bill for common area was around 11,000 rupees.
Okay.
Also,
So what will be used in that common area?
In common area, common parking lighting, lift, and bore wells, वगैरह.
Okay.
And staircase lighting,
Okay.
etc. Only that much used to come for 11,000 rupees.
Okay.
How much ever you control, you can only control maybe 500,000 rupees.
Yeah.
We thought situation is going out of control as the prices are going up day by day. We thought of finding a long-term solution.
Okay.
Then only we can. Then we thought of solar.
Okay.
After verifying various solar companies and their products and their plus and minus points,
Okay.
we opted for solar, Tata Solar
Okay.
Mono
Mono panels.
mono panels, referred by Access Solar System.
Okay.
They are the people who came, visited, explained,
Okay.
and then after their telling, we got convinced, and we opted for it.
Okay.
And even this also what we did is we as of now we have 8 kV panels installed,
Okay.
but we had provisions for 10 kV for future use.
Okay.
Depending on the fund supply, we only opted for 8 kV now. In future, we will be extending it to 10 kV.
Okay.
And this elevated structure with the mono, this thing and all came to 5.3 lakh rupees
Okay. So you have
after subsidy.
okay. You have invested 5.5 lakh rupees to set up this 8 kilowatt Tata Power solar panel.
Solar panel, mono panels.
Monocrystalline panels. So
And they offered us 4 kV per day, 4 units per kV per day, normal.
okay.
Whereas in May being the peak summer,
Yeah.
it generated almost 6 units per kV
Per kV per day.
per day.
Okay.
It's almost 47.9 units it generated, almost 50% more than the prescribed production capacity.
Okay. So what was the units consumed when you did not set up the solar panel per day?
Around 1100 units, 1000 plus or minus 100 units
Okay. Per month.
per month.
Okay.
Used to be around 10,000 rupees, 11,000 rupees.
Okay.
Now last month our current bill from 11th May to 11th month end
Okay.
was for the month of May it was only just 300 rupees, 350 rupees.
Mm-hmm.
Whereas the production was only for 21 days.
Okay. So this was an on-grid system.
Non-grid system,
Okay.
whatever is generated will directly go to the grid
Grid.
and it will be deducted from our normal consumption.
Yeah.
It has nothing to do with our consumption. Many people will have the hesitation as to whether our installed capacity will be enough to meet the demand or not. It has nothing to do with your building consumption. It will go directly to the grid.
Grid.
And you will get the corresponding credit. For the balance only, you will get the bill.
Yeah.
So there is no restriction that you should go for 8 or 5 or 10 or whatever it is. How much ever your funds allow, you start first.
Okay.
Then you can extend it a later date.
Okay. I think the main challenge you faced while setting this solar panel is to convincing the society people. So how did you manage to do that?
No, it was a hard task. It took almost 2-3 years for us to get convinced.
Okay.
And we also don't know the niceties of that.
Yeah.
We were always thinking that whether the production is enough for the common area or not, but we missed the point that it has nothing to do with because of the grid system.
Okay.
Once we realized that, people got convinced.
Yeah.
And after seeing the bill, everybody is very happy.
Okay.
They said the lifetime is for 25 years. Within 4 years, we'll get back our investment.
Yeah.
After that, it is only a generation. Moreover, by that time, current bill may go up to 15,000 also.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we are more than happy with it.
Okay.
And for that, I must thank our Reddy Garu for being a main funder.
Okay.
We had a shortage of funds.
Okay.
What we did is five of us contributed some amount.
Okay.
And we started the work. Once the generation starts, we will take back that amount.
Okay. So now you have installed a 8 kilowatt panel.
Yeah.
And you have a provision for
Two more.
Okay. And the generator, inverter.
Everything comes under for 10 kV.
Okay.
As a matter of time, when we get some funds, we'll extend that.
Okay. So how much did it costed you to set up this 10 kilowatt provision and 8 kilowatt panels?
5.3 lakhs after subsidy.
Okay.
Take the
In the Telangana subsidy,
Yes.
that costed you 5.3 lakhs, and I have heard that provision itself costed you close to 1 lakh.
1 lakh rupees, like because of elevator structure and other provisions, it was 1 lakh. Otherwise, you can have it for 4.3 lakhs if you are placing it on the floor.
Okay.
But we don't want to waste that floor space, because if it is elevated, it will be useful for some other purposes.
Yeah.
So that is the reason why we opted for this, though it is little costly.
Okay.
So I always recommend for us also same thing. Go for elevator structure. Go for only Tata Solar Mono.
Okay.
That is having very good production capacity.
Okay.
So Solar Access people gave a very good service.
Okay.
Everything promptly they gave it on delivery dates.
Okay.
At good service.
Okay. On and around 1 kilowatt costed you close to 50 to 55,000.
Yes,
rupees.
50,000 plus.
And that 1 kilowatt is generating you 6 units per day
So in summer.
in summer.
But prescribed is 4 kV.
4 units.
So if you take average, so summer, winter, rainy season and all, you will easily get 4 kV average.
4
So
units
4 units per kV average.
per day.
That is 8 kV means 32 units.
Okay.
Per a month around 960 to 1000 units per month.
Okay. So after setting up this solar system, how much you are saving on your power bill per month?
Say 11,000 rupees bill came to 350 rupees last month.
Okay.
That too with only 20 days of production.
Okay.
This month it will be surplus production.
Yeah.
Which can be carried forward for future months.
Yeah. So basically you are gaining some amount on this solar panel.
Yeah, 10,000 rupees per month from day one.
Okay.
Day one.
Okay. So I think within 3.5 to 4 years you will get back to your
Investment. All our investment will be back within 4 years.
Okay.
Thereafter, balance 21 years is free.
Okay. So what will be your suggestion to the apartment people or like apartment presidents who is watching this video?
Sir, everybody please think of this. You can start your solar with whatever money you have, 1 kV, 2 kV, 3 kV or 5 kV, whatever it is. Start first. As soon as you see the benefits, you can always extend. And I strongly recommend everybody should opt for this, so that you can save a lot of money, and that money can be utilized for development of the apartment in future.
Yeah.
See, with this installation, we don't have to ask anybody for any money in future, including painting once in 5 years or 10 years.
Okay.
Or every month, 10,000 rupees is a big amount. You can meet so many expenditures. So we strongly recommend one should think of it. One should go for only Tata Solar Mono.
Okay.
And Axis Solar is the right person to contact. And we are more than happy.
Okay. So friends, as you see, that's it for today's video. So as an apartment president, these people installed 8 kilowatt Tata Power solar panels and they are saving close to 10,000 rupees per month on their power bill. So if you found the video helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe Electric Vehicles India. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Until then, go green, go electric.
Go electric.